Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by inspecting every joint and noting how loose it is, then prioritize the worst ones. Use 90% isopropyl and a cotton swab to remove dirt and old lubricants, because adhesion depends on cleanliness. Once clean, gently remove removable pieces and label pins or screws so you don't lose orientation. Make sure to work on a padded surface to protect paint, and immediately prepare the adhesive or thickening agent you'll use next. You now focus on restoring friction. Apply a thin bead of super glue gel or a small dab of plastic-safe epoxy inside the joint, then spread it thinly with a toothpick so movement remains. For peg-style joints, slide a 0.5 mm strip of heat shrink tubing or a thin coat of acrylic paint onto the peg. This increases diameter and friction. Once reassembled partially, check range of motion while the adhesive is tacky so you can adjust alignment. Make sure not to over-tighten. You finish by letting the repair cure completely. Follow the adhesive's instructions and wait the recommended 24 hours when possible, because premature stress causes failure. Once cured, sand any excess glue gently with fine sandpaper, and if needed, apply a tiny amount of silicone lubricant to restore smooth motion without reducing friction. If a joint still binds or becomes loose again, stop and inspect. You may need replacement pegs, a bushing, or professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.